If you're wondering how you can recover your Shopee account without an email and or phone number, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, traditionally, if you can't recover your email and or password, you just have to go to this section down here and you just have to tap on login. Now, if you click on forget here, you can see you can either put in your phone number, your email, or your username. So if you don't remember your phone number or your email, but you do remember your username, you can recover it here, right? Just enter in your username and then just tap on this button to continue. But if you don't remember your username as well, another option is to contact Shopee customer support. Now, by contacting Shopee customer support, you can also fill out a form that can help you recover your account back. They might ask you for other details besides your password and or email just to confirm it's really you and it's not being stolen, like there's no identity theft going on here. But if you don't remember your phone number, your email, and or your username, your only option to recover your account will be to contact Shopee customer support. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.